Hello public, welcome back to Designer Tech World YouTube channel, and today's topic is about how to use Adobe Firefly's generative AI features, insights from designers. So I start my today's topic over here. So guys, if you are watching this video first time, and if you are coming to my channel first time, so maybe this is too strange with us, but first of all, you know I always like to build a connection with my audience. So first of all guys, uh, we discussed about the topic name, right? Why we discuss topic name? Firstly, because I want my audience proper concentration, and their proper, we can say, what I can say is proper, the things what they wanted actually, right? So how to use Adobe Fireflies? Have you heard about this topic before or not? Just tell me in the comment section. And the generative AI features and insights from designers. So basically, the video is totally depending on the two designers, and they have a lot of experiences, and their experience and their life cycle tell in this article. So I just wanted you guys to stay to the end of the video and watch what is happening here. Okay. Um. So, and as well, I wanted to do one thing is that this is a really favorable thing. Most of guys are not doing that things perfectly. So, guys, first of all, you just know my channel name, right? uh, Designer Tech Wall. You know why I create this channel? Obvious, you don't know about it, but now I am going to explain you that why we created this channel. Yes, so why we created this channel, and we can say, so the channel main purpose is that we wanted to elevate our knowledge, we wanted to elevate ourselves, and I want to build a team actually. My main purpose is that I want to build a community that helps each other to growing in their life, and having a troubling and is engaged in trouble, so that we can solve the problems. And that's my purpose, right? So here, so if you haven't subscribed the channel, Designer Tech World, so click on the subscribe button, and mustly click on the notification bell icon, because if you are not clicking on the notification bell icon, so guys, this is not good, because we are giving a lot of effort, we are giving a lot of important things in the video, and basically the fact based things we discuss. So if so then we want a one like, or one comment, or one share from every single person who watched the video. So you can do that. Okay, perfect. So now if you think this video is helpful, so you can like this video and share with your friends and family. So this is really um, appreciable thing for us. So you know about the topic name, like how to use Adobe Firefly's generative AI features inside from designers. So first of all, Jessica Souza, she is a verified expert in design and about 10 years of experience. That's very good. And basically, Jessica works as a digital designer, and she's specialized in Adobe Creative Suite and composing compelling visuals for brand identities, websites, and marketing campaigns. And her clients include global brands like Google, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, and EA. Right? So she is about 10 years of experience. And another thing is that, and another one, our brother is Sergio Estrella. He has 20 years of experience. Like 20 years of experience, that's a big deal, guys. That's a really big deal. And so the both are telling their experiences, telling their insights in this video. So this video you can measure like how much valuable. Now you can measure just. So AI doesn't diminish creativity, it amplifies it. Right? Top 12 designers reveal how Adobe Firefly's tools like generative fill and text to vector graphic elevate your work in client results. So don't worry about it, guys. Now the topic is beginning here. I need your proper concentration. Now, guys, here before ChatGPT made generative AI accessible to anyone with a keyboard, and an internet connection. Image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, right, and Stable Diffusion were radically impacting the design professions. Launched in 2022, these applications could turn a few words of plan text into richly detailed, often photorealistic images and visual compositions. So AI image generation become even more widespread in 2023 when design software giant Adobe released Firefly, a suite of generative AI tools that integrate with flagship applications like Photoshop and Illustrator. The first wave of Adobe artificial intelligence features focused on image editing. Since then, Adobe has updated Firefly with more powerful generative AI tools, and that let designers create stylistic variations of an image and watermark their AI augmented creations with tamper evident metadata and produce new vector artwork from simple prompts. According to the company, Adobe's AI generated art tools have been used to create more than 6.5 billion images as of 2024, and right now 2025, and it's all about to the end. Okay, now to begin, what Adobe AI art features do you use regularly? Souza. Souza said, I use Photoshop's generative fill feature daily, and generative fill and generative expand allow me to insert AI generated imagery into photos or extend the borders of an image by typing text prompts. And Adobe Illustrator features such as text to vector graphic, which enables you to create a vector graphics using descriptive prompts, and generative recolor, which you can change entire color schemes within vector illustrators, and are getting better every day. So here we have some examples right now, but I cannot show you right now because you are just watching me. Okay. So Estrella. Now Estrella said, as a UI designer, I find Adobe's AI doesn't currently offer us as much. They don't have a dedicated UI design tool anymore since they stopped developing Adobe XD. But I use Adobe Illustrator for my work, creating a branding guides, logos, and icons. Especially now that Illustrator has generative AI vectors. So I use generative recolor. Often it lets you try different color variations, which are useful for logos and visual identities. Additionally, if I need visuals for a landing page or a feature page I am designing, I use artificial intelligence in Photoshop to generate images to use placeholders before I use stock photos and vectors that I could license. So guys, what you have learned that basically the experts telling their experiences, and step by step I'm telling you the experiences basically. So what do you think that guys, um like a lot of new things we have learned or not? So how has using Adobe Firefly's features improved your creative workflow? How you can use? Then, first of all, she is telling Suza, when it comes to stock images, clients often want very specific compositions. For example, a client might say, we need a woman holding a perception package in one hand and her phone in the other. She has to be happy and standing in front of a pharmacy. Her clothing should be casual with green accents. I used to extensive image research, purchase multiple stock images, and spend hours editing them together as and they would never be perfect, right? Now I can purchase one image as the base and then work on it with Photoshop's generative fill. This reduces the time I invest from 3 or 4 hours to around an hour, and including the image research. So here Estrella. Now Estrella, he said, as I changed how I deal with icons. Before, you had to search an icon library for the specific object you needed and then transform it into a vector graphic and edit it. Google and Apple both have icon libraries, and there are many others. And depending on what you select, you may need to license it. Okay, and by using AI, you can create icons that are more specific to your needs and more authentic. You will not see the same icon on all of your projects, and you don't need to keep looking at the library of icons. You generate your own. That's AI. That's Adobe Fly, Flies, right? So guys, here are the last things I'm discussing with you, and then the video is all about to the end. Just give your honest review how you think that video is helpful to you or not. If this video is helpful to you guys, so make sure to subscribe and like the video. Okay. How accessible are Adobe's AI art features to novice designers? So Australia first of all said Adobe did a good job of adapting the UI to make the AI options easy to find out being distracted. And Suza, she said, as with most features in Adobe's suite, the AI art tools are quite easy and intuitive. For example, to use the generative fill in Photoshop, all you need to do is select an area of your broad and type what you would like to generate. Okay, public, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.